Yep, sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Bafethu i-Sundowns idliwe ema-penalty-ni idlale no-North phakathi, yadliwa ema-penalty-ni 7-6. Bafethu ngizothi allege ukuthi ingabe enkingeni. Uyadelela lo coach we-Sundowns bafethu, ngiyanitshela mina uyadelela. Yabo uma ukhuluma ngo-coach odelelayo, uyadelela loya coach. Yazi ubhidliza into eyakhiwe ama-South African kanzima, aboPitso nabo-Rhulani Mokwena nabo-Steve Komphela, aboMancoba Mngcithi bayakhe kanzima leya nto leya. Uyibhidliza like it's nothing bafana. Masantawana coach wenu ubhidliza i-team like it's nothing. Bafethu angeke ukuthi uthenge i-player last week ebelidlala ePortugal, this week selidlala la eSouth Africa. U-expect-a ukuthi lidlale i-Shoeshine Piano mawuceda wena. I-Sundowns seyidlala i-helicopter football. We can't wait ukuthi sidlale ne-Sundowns. You can ask any team bafuna yiphi, sifuna i-Sundowns. Idlala i-helicopter football. Coach uyadelela, coach uyadelela, uyadelela. You can't, uya-embarrassa. You can't nje. You can't. Udliwe une-quality engaka, udliwe ama-cup ayi-4 already or 5. What's there to prove? Befaneke ngabe uyiwinile i-World Cup wena. I-Club World Cup i-Sundowns befaneke iyiwinile, ine-quality. Hawu, udliwa like uba nama-excuse, the pitch was like, the light was too bright, the sun is too hot, the players are tired. Uhlezi anama-excuse. Yo, hhayi masantawana manifuna ukuwina something this season, ijazi aligcwala umoya.